Hey you with the Grom. Did a rear fender delete but can't afford the LED taillight? Have I got the solution for you? Okay, so I got the little $16 smoke taillights off of Amazon. I'll provide a link because I did the delete but don't have the LED rear. So I got the smoke tail light. I don't have the LED that has the integrated turn signals on it, so I had to do something. So I got the flush mount, drilled holes in the rear tail fairing, installed them. And what I did was I took the wiring from the rear fender, cut off the license plate light, and cut the bulb housing out, and I used some connectors here, stripped them and connected them to the source. Light blue is for the right side, and the other color, whichever color that was, is for the left. And I wrapped them with electrical tape, as you can see, and routed it along the side and connected it. So there we go. It's got working front and rear blinkers.
Thanks for watching.